Hello kids, I welcome you once again to today's class. The subject for today is social studies and the topic is celebrating festivals. Okay, we are going to learn what are celebration and celebrating special days. First of all, what is a celebration? Celebration is a time to have fun with our family and friends, and also when we celebrate it brings us joy and happiness. The first one we are going to see is birthday. Birthday. What is this birthday? Birthday is a day that is a special day for us. Okay, for each and every one is a special day because it is a day when we were born. That day that we were born, that is called our birthday. So we celebrate birthday every year. When you are in class, many of you will come and bring sweet and say, "Ma'am, today is my birthday." So you'll be very happy and very excited, and you'll be waiting for your birthday also, and you'll be asking your parents also, "When is my birthday?" And many of you, every one of you knows your own birthday. Because why? It is a special day from you that many of you might be getting gifts from your parents, or you get gifts from your friends, or you get gifts from your auntie and uncles. Now, we are going to see celebrating the special days. What are the celebrating the special days? Celebrating special days means that we are going to celebrate different festivals. Now, we are going to celebrate the different festivals. Now, when I say festivals, there are two types of festival. The first is a national festival, then comes religious festival. Now, really, suppose Christmas, and then Eid, and then after that comes Gurpurab, and then it comes Diwali. These festivals are known as religious festivals, okay, that are celebrated by different religion. Now, who celebrate Christmas? The Christian people celebrate Christmas. Why? Because it is the birthday of our Lord Jesus Christ. And we celebrate Christmas on the 25th of December. On this day, people, they go to church, they go and visit their friends, their family, and they wish each other Merry Christmas. And also we wear new clothes. We wear new clothes. Now, Eid. Eid is a festival of Muslim. They celebrate this festival after a month of fasting that is called Ramadan. And Gurpurab. Gurpurab is a festival of the Sikh. Okay, they celebrate this festival to remember the Sikh gurus, and they go and pray at Gurudwara and they eat together at langars. Now, Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights. On this day, they clean their house, they wear new clothes, and then they share sweets among family and friends. Then next, we are going to see these are the festival of the religious festival. Now we will see the national days. The national days. What are the national days? First one is Independence Day. The second one is Republic Day. And the third is Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, they are the national festival. This festival is celebrated by every one of us. We don't say that, oh, I'm a Christian, or I'm a Hindu, I'm a Muslim, I'm a Sikh, but no, it's not like that. It is celebrated by every one of us. Independence Day, we celebrate Independence Day on the 15th of August. We celebrate Independence Day on the 15th of August. And then we celebrate Republic Day on the 26th of January. And we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on the 2nd of October because it is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay children, I hope you have understood this lesson for today. I will see you in the next class. Be good and stay safe.